Hi there, and welcome back to Investing Guide. Cardano ADA was one of the best performers in the crypto market. Investors and crypto enthusiasts were all backing ADA to become the next big blockbuster coin. And for most of this year, it seemed like ADA would do just that. But then came the twist. The coin suffered from the volatile nature of the market. Its current price sits below the $2 mark. The current sentiment seems to suggest that ADA is in for a rough ride, and no one knows how long that's going to last. However, there is hope. What goes down usually comes back up in the crypto market. Today we're going to be talking about how you can prepare for when Cardano ADA drops to this price. The coin may be on the downward turn, but based on the coin's past performance, its price may begin to recover soon. Stick around until the end of the video to find out how ADA and its performance is going to improve in the crypto market. Before we begin though, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any updates from the world of investing. It was just last week, on November 24th, when Bitstamp announced it was listing Cardano ADA on its exchange. The exchange is the largest exchange from Europe, based out of Luxembourg. It's one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, seeing over $400 million in assets swap hands every single day. This wide European exposure was seen as a great launching pad for ADA. Despite the coin's bear run, investors and crypto enthusiasts were hoping that getting listed on Bitstamp would have a positive price impact on ADA. However, this has not been the case, as news broke out recently that eToro plans to delist Cardano after December 31st, 2021. This came as a shock to the cryptocurrency sector. eToro is an Israeli trading app that provides brokerage services to users with a particular focus on foreign exchange and cryptocurrencies. In a written statement, eToro said that after December 31st, US users of its popular trading app will no longer be able to open up new positions in Cardano. eToro stated that delisting Cardano over regulatory concerns surrounding the coin in the United States, though the brokerage did not elaborate as to what those concerns were. Following on from this, Cointelegraph reported that the news had hit ADA's price particularly hard, coming as a surprise given that Cardano has not been associated with any such regulatory issues. The other update was that crypto wallets will function in withdraw-only mode until the first quarter of 2022. Then the trading app will also implement limits on selling. This is why you need to prepare for when ADA drops to this price. While some crypto coins are involved in legal actions with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, Cardano ADA has not had the same challenges. In fact, Cardano announced a partnership earlier this year with blockchain analytics provider CoinFirm, and that's there to ensure that it complies with regulatory frameworks around the world, including anti-money laundering rules. The timing of eToro's delisting announcement had a negative effect on ADA. News of the delisting is hitting Cardano's price really hard and pushing it lower following a huge rally this year. So far in 2021, ADA's price has skyrocketed 840%, making it one of the most interesting investment options. ADA beginning to trade on Bitstamp was the latest positive development for the token. But now, news of eToro's delisting threatens to derail Cardano's gains. Investors will now have to wait to see if eToro's delisting is an isolated incident or the start of a broader trend. The most interesting question is, does eToro know something about ADA that is not yet public? In the midst of all the negativity surrounding Cardano ADA, its founder Charles Hoskinson spoke to followers on Twitter. He said that eToro's decision to delist the ADA token had completely blindsided him. There's currently nothing we've received, no regulatory event, no subpoena, no threats of lawsuits, none of these things. That's why we're so blindsided by it all, because actually the trend has been over the last 6 months a significant increase in liquidity on Cardano. On our side, we had no indication of this from eToro, and it's rather unfortunate that nothing was sent our way. He further added, "We at least could have a better understanding of the reasons, and will, of course, reach out on our side to better understand the reasons. But it's primarily the Foundation's responsibility. It doesn't surprise me from the perspective of these things happen. Everybody has a different compliance desk. Everybody has a different regulatory tolerance. Everyone has a different customer base." eToro's decision came as a surprise to even Hoskinson. But the founder of Cardano ADA remains focused and positive on the coin's prospects for the future, and there are developments that could have a positive price impact on ADA. Cardano ADA still remains one of the top performing cryptocurrencies of 2021. It's gaining around 850% so far this year, which has made it the world's 6th largest digital token by market value, according to CoinMarketCap. It may have fallen short of the 14,000% gain of Solana's Sol token, but the positive news is that it has roundly beaten Bitcoin's 102% rally. Cardano ADA remains a competitor to the Ethereum network. That's thanks to its compatibility of hosting smart contracts and other applications that are key to decentralized finance. ADA has been listed by some of the biggest exchanges. It was listed on Coinbase on March 19th and Bitstamp approved the coin on November 24th. Amidst all the possibilities and positivity, the eToro delisting came as a shock to Cardano's system. There seems to be a high possibility for ADA's price to plummet down to 15% in the crypto market any moment from now. The bearish movement was spotted based on how ADA is currently struggling to secure reliable support to start a new price swing. In many ways, this shows that if the price downtrend momentum grips ADA, investors could expect worse prices and will need to prepare when ADA drops to a stunningly low price of $1.26, according to investing.com. Apart from the predicted $1.26 price decline, it is worth mentioning that ADA could still risk further losses. This is if it fails to regain crucial support to prevent even greater losses in the coming days. But there is light at the end of the tunnel. Investing.com also reports that it's not too late for Cardano to jumpstart a new price performance in the market. If bulls decide to buy and trade more using ADA, the crypto coin could find huge support to form a new price surge. The coin's forecast from Wallet Investor predicted that by 2021, prices could touch the $2.483 on average. The cryptocurrency is going to climb to an astounding $13.526 in the next 5 years, and that's according to the company's estimates. The ADA coin price prediction from Digital Coin projected that the coin could reach an average of $3.63 in 2022, up from $2.93 in 2021, and climb to an average of $8.79 by 2025 to 2028. There is more exciting news that there is going to become a gold-backed Cardano stablecoin launched on the platform. The stablecoin will be put together by DeFi platform Meld and Tingo. It is interesting to see the name Tingo attached to a Cardano stablecoin. The reason being is that Tingo is the largest mobile provider in Africa. These providers are beginning to play a critical role in shaping Cardano's future. A few weeks ago, Cardano announced their partnership with Boost Mobile. Now, why is this important? Well, there is potential of digital identification verification coming through Cardano and the mobile providers. This comes loaded with practical applications, such as keeping underage kids from getting into harmful websites or from visiting harmful places on the internet. Cardano's partnership with the mobile provider gives us a blueprint into the coin's future. Another positive aspect is that the development team behind Cardano is very ambitious. They want to create a new form of money that can execute complex operations and bring stability into underserving and underserviced financial markets. The new currency should also provide options when traditional systems fail or don't work properly anymore. The decision by eToro to delist Cardano ADA has cast the coin on a downward spiral. The firm cited regulatory concerns in the United States, and this was the reason for their decision. The regulatory pressure on crypto exchanges, as well as investors, is increasing after approval of the infrastructure bill by President Biden, which contained tough reporting provisions for brokers. ADA's price has fallen nearly 50% after its meteoric rise to $3 in September. Crypto website FX Street thinks ADA is looking bearish in the short term. It set its price target of $1.30, and this is why you've got to prepare for when ADA drops to this price. At the end of the day, remember that Cardano is a coin meant for long-term holding, so we wouldn't be surprised by the many ups and downs of its prices. However, in the shorter term, Cardano is likely to have a fight on its hands, and it's got to fight tooth and nail to stay as one of the top cryptocurrencies amidst all the other crypto coins. That's it for today, folks. We hope you enjoyed watching our latest video. Remember that this is meant for educational purposes, and it in no way counts as financial advice. Do your own research and consult your nearest financial aid on where to invest if you are serious. While you're still here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.